siabati se maiko no suka either one or we all quite maiko. Start with that. Even if you have a degree, start with that. Lazima uanze chini, uelewe madhina la medhana ndo ikoni, uelewe kana pia ndo mato nyauka ba metiti chai na maiko umanga wago learn patience kana ando no moto hoteline nwezo bengo no dokuma hoteline ba sometimes nyonga maba ma lilo hoteline na ndilika disha is wa no meka dikila ne yobu jego mwe jama kwase no mwe ayaza tunga yiri kwase yiti yetunga jona kele tukebe uko soka tunga kaitunga kele dikuko na agambio bisha na mundu because the customer is always right. You tambie kwikoni how will you know ukadhiku ifanya wena degree umwe kwenda enda kwa kule kwako. So we learn patient pangwaje sainge uhithukuma musalo iselewa we learn kwimenege na tupesa tulato hili ni wiki tata we got it. So my plea to you and to us kawela kala oikwata bana duka ikie kilasi ambia bunde ulan uelewe no wacha na ti lazima uelewe ne kana upromote we utonya ulan uambia watu. Are you getting me? Onetha wane wawewa ukwate makara mkusiwa malugu pauno boys of manya pe malu variety ile wezo manya malu ma chips pe on my lotland na yuke ya ka hotel ka chips hotel mount tasu wiki ana no we making better because you didn't know. So let us learn kuanza chini tukienda juu, and also God will help us. I want to finish, my hour is gone, but I want to say that we need also to form cooperatives as youths, and we can make our cooperatives to say atumia. Let us hear gentlemen and ladies here who have formed cooperatives to save money, and make our cooperatives kananzango let us save it. We can start saving money. I joined one group of gentlemen, 10 of them, 10 years ago, to save better. And sometimes back, we bought a building worth 60 million. Na tuambie tutanake tukasaidia ongilile faithful per month. We got to a time when we had saved over 60 million.